Hi, I'm Jordan from Motor Match Stafford, and this is the Vauxhall Corsa ecoTEC Griffin, and it's a 1.4 petrol manual. Now, this car is part of our Motor Match approved vehicles, which means it comes with a 30-day warranty or up to 1,000 miles, whichever one does come first. So if you like the look at this car so far and you'd like to find out a little bit more about it, then you can give us a call on 01785 899 474. Now in this video today, I am going to be taking you around a 360 walk around of both the interior and the exterior, and then I'm going to get into some of them high-tech features. So starting on your exterior, you will be able to see your LED daytime running lights, which gives this car such a sporty and high-tech look. You've also got 16-inch alloy wheels in a black finish. This matches your black exterior colouring and brings such an iconic look to the exterior of this car. You've also got rear tinted windows, which not only adds to the look of the car, but also ensures the utmost safety for any possessions stored in the rear seats or in the boot. Speaking about the rear seats, as this is a free door, the way to get into the rear seats is by pulling either the driver's seat or passenger seat forward, and then you have access to the rear seats. Now these are extremely comfortable, so whether you're the driver or a passenger in the rear, you will have a great experience. Moving around to the rear of the vehicle and going into the boot now. As this is a compact car, there is still loads of space available, and I'm going to show you. The way to open up this boot is to click in the button underneath the Vauxhall badge, and you can clearly see how much space is actually available. Now this will be ideal for storing luggage when going on a weekend away, as you can also fold your rear seats forward to give you more options of space. Some more information about this car is that it's only had one previous owner, and you'll be able to see that they have kept it in a fantastic condition. In your interior, you have got that black piano trim with a coral finisher, which runs across your dashboard and also continues on your door panelling. And just like in the rear seats, you have got the full black cloth seating with that dynamic red stitching running down the centre again. This truly does bring all of the little details of this car together. Now that was the end of the 360 walk around of both the interior and the exterior. It is now time to get into some of them high-tech features. So going back into your interior and on your driver's side, you will be able to see you've got front electric windows, which are easily accessible on your driver's door. You've also got a multi-function steering wheel where you can control different aspects of the car all from one place, and all without even needing to take your hands off the steering wheel, showing that the driver has full control at all times. On your driver's display, you will be able to see that the car has done 15,040 miles. Now, mileage shown is subject to test drives and or demonstration miles. Moving on to the main digital display, which can be found on your dashboard and centre console. This is where all the main features of the car can be found and even controlled. Now, one of these features is your DAB, FM and AM radio stations, which give you a huge range of different stations and covers every type of genre of music. You've also got your Bluetooth telephone connectivity, which means you can make or receive calls all without even needing to pick your phone up. This car does also come with a reliable navigation system, so it has never been easier to travel to new destinations than in this car. And as it is a touchscreen, you can also use your finger to go through all the different settings as well as move the map itself. Another added bonus of the front seats is that they do come with a heated option, and you've even got a heated steering wheel, which makes them cold winter mornings that much more enjoyable. Just below your main display, you have got your climate controls. Now this is where you can easily adjust your temperature as well as airflow and even your fan positioning. On your centre console, you have also got your media input as well as some extra storage. So thank you for watching this video on the Vauxhall Corsa ecoTEC Griffin, which is now available at Motor Match Stafford. Again, this is a Motor Match approved vehicle, which means it comes with a 30-day warranty or up to 1,000 miles, whichever one does come first. We also offer RSC extended warranty of up to 3 years, which is available with most of our cars, and can even get flexible finance packages tailored specifically to you. Also, all Motor Match vehicles are subject to a £150 administration fee, and included in this is a provenance check. For a personalised quote or to book a test drive, you can contact us on 01785 899 474.